My friends, this is the first navigation episode shot in 2020. In June, after the lockdown, Tiziano eventually could reconnect with this nice yellow catamaran named Nespa, with which he fell in love at the end of 2019. Nespa is located in Gallipoli, in the very south of Italy. The cruise this time is to bring the boat to Venice, where Tiziano and his crew have their base and where they work with charters and explorations of Venice Lagoon. Here you can see Chris and John, Tiziano's A-team, who are Chris, his friend, German specialist in woods, John, old friend in charge for IT, and this time there is Daniele. We are inside the Wharram 42, the new boat of Tiziano. This is the bow part, and this is the aft part of the left part of the catamaran. There's a pass-through toilet, and then we go upstairs and we have aft. We're in Gallipoli, that is in Puglia, a lovely place. Here we have two sailors drinking beer, German sailors drink a lot of beer. And this is the bow. Tiziano slept in his camping tent last night. So I will be here for half of the cruise, as after a few days I will have to reconnect with Gianluca in Tuscany for our summer cruise with his boat. In this moment, my beloved boat by myself is still stuck in Capo Verde. Well, I'm stuck in Italy, she is in Capo Verde, and there are no flights until the end of July. In Gallipoli, don't miss these restaurants: Maruzzella, right on the sea, for the fish, and El Toro Loco with amazing roasted meat. Chris and John and Tiziano share a genuine common love for beer. After a couple of days of fixing papers and good provisioning, by the way, Chinese shops are the best friends of sailors for a lot of items, we left for our first leg, from Gallipoli to Santa Maria di Roma. Pietà, vado? Mo.
Should I step out in the sun? I've been staying for 3 days now. Walls are closing in, I must get out and get back to you and get closer, 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 closer to those summer days in Rome. I could see it coming straight from heaven. It was real love, no
Nespa, the catamaran, is a Wharram 42, a project from the legendary designer navigator who spent his life in Polynesian islands on his self-designed and built catamarans. You can still buy the plans to build your own boat on his website, and you can also make round the world tour with it, as a lot of people did and still does. Well, just out of Gallipoli. It's very sweet sailing with this Nespa, that is the name of this Tiziano's boat. Non era considerato il controvento. Maestro. Tiziano was the happiest captain in the world.
Si vedono i moscerini sui denti?
Esatto. Un armatore contento. Ecco, un presidente del circolo.
Questa avventura.
Beh. Nespa doesn't delude expectations. She is good with the engine and good under sail. We had a long sail with some moments of upwind, and she was very smooth and fast. Also upwind. We were always over 6.5 knots. We arrived in Santa Maria di Leuca at sunset. The harbor is safe, but you always have to be watchful when you are at anchor. This is the eastern cape of Italy. In front of it there is Greece. We are in the real heel of Italian peninsula.